a lot of misinformation out there on how to best train your ABS. Take a look at any late-night infomercials for a prime example. You'll see no shortage of ab machines that guarantee grip. If your abdominals are strong and functioning properly, you should be able to resist a force against them when your arms are raised overhead, say, during an exercise like an ab wheel rollout, and maintain a straight spine. Practice the rollout to gain better core stability. Begin kneeling, your hands on either side of the wheel, and start with a slightly rounded spine. Think of using that posture here. Push hips toward the floor as arms begin to roll forward with the wheel. If you feel a lot of tension in the low back as you roll out, shorten your range of motion and stop shy of full extension. Strengthen while you rotate. Doing a move that requires your core muscles to resist a force as you rotate your spine will help you get stronger, faster. What that gives you, abs and obliques that can help yield a more powerful golf swing, slap shot, or tennis serve. Do split stance cable lifts to hone your anti-rotation strength. Use a low pulley bar attachment and kneel, keeping the outside leg forward. Hold either end of the bar and pull it across your body. Then using the bottom hand, push the bar directly forward. You'll feel this in the lower ABS and obliques when done correctly, and it doesn't require much weight to be effective. Useful range of motion. One problem with a sit-up is that when you're lying down, your hips and pelvis are fixed into position. Do sit-ups often enough, and you create a pattern of dysfunction. You start using your hip flexors more than your ABS, and you put unwanted stress on your spine. A better solution that encourages more range of motion: the hanging leg raise. Hang from a pull-up bar and slowly lift your knees toward your chest. Going too fast will make you engage your hip flexors and defeats the purpose. Don't cut your range halfway, either. Round the spine. It's okay to do here and try to get the bottom of your sneakers to face the wall in front of you, with your knees touching your chest.